Okay, so velocity is given by this. Straight line at the position t equals pi on 3, the position of the object is at 4. Determine the acceleration function. Okay, so if we want acceleration, all I need to do is derive my velocity function. So at is given by d over dt of vt, which means I'm going to be deriving 1 over pi plus 3 sine t. Okay, so this part here at the front, when I derive that, he's just going to vanish. Then I'll have this part here, so I'll be left with 3. Sine will go to cos and t. When I derive the t, it just is a 1, so then the 1 comes out the front, multiplies, it doesn't change anything. So that is our acceleration function. If we want to determine the displacement function, that means we're going to integrate. So xt is equal to the integral of vt with respect to t, which means I'm going to be integrating 1 over pi plus 3 sine t dt. Okay, so when I do that, I'm going to end up with t over pi for our first part. Now, the sine is going to go the opposite way, so it's going to become minus 3 cos t plus c. Now, it's given me extra information here, so I can actually solve for c. So we're going to let t equal pi on 3, or 60 degrees, and that will tell me that the position of the object is going to be equal to 4. So xt equals 4. Okay, so 4 is equal to pi on 3 divided by pi plus minus 3 cos pi on 3 plus c. Okay, first thing I'm going to deal with is this. So KFC, you keep the front, you change that, you flip the end. So that's currently pi on 1, so it'll become 1 on pi, meaning that this will cancel with this, and I'll be left with four is equal to, they're gone, 1 on 3 plus cos of 60 degrees, using my hand trick, is a half, so it's going to be minus 3 times a half plus c. So that's going to be 1 over 3 plus minus 3 over 2. We're going to make them have the same base so that we can add and subtract them. So times that by 2, times that one by 3, still plus c. So that's going to be 2 on 6, and that one will be minus 9 on 6. So 2 minus 9 will give me minus 7 on 6, 4 on the other side, plus c. We take it over to the other side, it's going to become plus 7 on 6, which will be c, and then times this by 6 so we can make the bases the same. So it'll be 24 plus 7, c is equal to 33 on 6. Now I can see that they both share 3 as a factor, so I can divide this by 3 and I'll be left with 11, divide that by 3, I'm left with 2. So c is equal to 11 on 2. So that means that our displacement function is given by xt is equal to t on pi minus 3 cos t plus 11 on 2.